it though?
I wouldn't say no.
These ones seem to be dead.
Wow. What was that?
Strobe lights.
That's probably from my class.
Yeah.
Yeah? Wow. That must be really good if you want to vote.
Should we go now?